Hey everyone, Kaylani here from Gengras Volvo North Haven, speaking with you today about the Polestar Optimization. This optimization is available for our XC, B, S, and C models. The 6 optimizations included in the One Powerful package will include throttle response. The throttle response has been recalibrated to provide improved feedback and acceleration. The off-throttle response. The engine and gearbox has been calibrated to provide faster responses when the driver suddenly lifts off the throttle. The gear shift speed. The gear shift speed has been increased, allowing the car to accelerate faster and react more directly to the driver input. The gear shift precision. The gear shift has been optimized to provide a more precise driving experience with faster acceleration. Engine performance. Perfect for the sporty driver when overtaking, entering a highway, or exiting a corner. And last, the torque for all-wheel drive. The dynamic driving mode has been calibrated to provide the rear wheels with more power on acceleration. Come on down to Gengras Volvo North Haven today to set up your car with our new optimization.